The genesis of the OSR Academy was a series of conversations I had with multiple clients, and all of them centered around a common challenge in that they had these baby boomer sales professionals who were experts with a ton of wisdom and had been around the business for so long. And now this group of tenured sales pros were moving on to the next stage in their career. And these clients didn't have a sales development program, a methodical way to help develop this next generation of salespeople. What was lacking was a farm system of sorts to continually develop new talent to enter into the sales profession. So we asked the question, well, what would have to be true? And we met with 7 companies for well over a year to really define the exact specification that these LBM firms were looking for. What criteria did they need so they could confidently invest in a sales professional and know that when they come out of the program, they would be able to set strong goals and understand how to set a sales forecast. And they would know how to prospect with confidence. They would know how to negotiate well and continuously deliver unique value to their customers. That was and is the foundation of the OSR Academy. And we are excited to welcome in a new class. The OSR Academy is the only small cohort, blended learning, LBM-specific sales program on earth. We'll engage weekly with custom content, tools, and case studies created specifically for our industry. Our live trainings and guest lectures directly apply real-world scenarios for immediate impact. Give us 12 months and we'll turn your sales rookie into a sales pro.